Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of building an image captioning model using Pytorch. Image captioning is the task of generating a textual description for a given image. This can be accomplished by combining convolutional neural networks, CNNs, for image feature extraction and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, or transformers for generating text. Prerequisites. Before we get started, make sure you have the following libraries installed: Pytorch, torchvision, numpy, matplotlib, nltk, for text processing. You can install these libraries using pip. Step 1, Data Preparation. We'll use the coco dataset for our image captioning model. You can download the dataset from the official website, http://cocodataset.org/download. For simplicity, we will use a smaller dataset or a subset of the coco dataset. You can also use a custom dataset if you prefer. Load the dataset. Step 2, Define transformations. We'll apply transformations to our images to make them suitable for the model. Step 3, Build the model. We'll create a model that uses a pre-trained CNN, like ResNet, for feature extraction, and an LSTM for caption generation. Step 4, Training the model. We will now define the training loop for our model. Step 5, Generating captions. After training the model, you can generate captions for new images. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we built a simple image captioning model using Pytorch. We covered data preparation, model architecture, training, and caption generation. This is a basic implementation, and there are many ways to improve it, such as using attention mechanisms, data augmentation, and more robust handling of vocabulary. References: Pytorch documentation, https://pytorch.org/docs/stable/index.html. coco dataset, http://cocodataset.org. Show and Tell, a neural image captioning model by Vinyals et al. Feel free to expand this tutorial based on your specific needs and projects.